Sharp?
Yeah, sharp. Sharp as a tack. Okay, here we are. It's Tuesday, August 23rd, and in math class today, we have been talking about prime and composite numbers and
What is that?
exponents. So, your homework class for Math 6 is page 30, 10 through 21. Okay, you're going to be naming numbers as prime, composite, or neither. Now, Math 7, your homework is on page 32, 11 through 23. And you'll see what that is when you get to it. A little surprise. Okay, yeah, so math, we're just getting prime, composite. We're going to be getting into factor trees. We're going to be getting into order of operations, things like that in the next week or two. And don't forget, Friday is our first Fantastic Five. Now, there's nothing you can do to study. Parents, don't worry, they're not studying for this. This is the notes they're taking in class. We're taking a quiz on them, and they have the notes in front of them, so they should get 100% all the way through.
Mr. Goff!
Mr.
He's
Esposito,
got me all worked up about this 80s things, and I love it. I wear these glasses out every day. I wear my jacket out, and I'm very excited. He took me to the... What was the name of that store we went? We went to a store. It was a vintage place. We both got things really cool. I've been getting all these kind of compliments on my clothes. I feel like I'm ready to roll. Okay, boys and girls, moms and dads, what did Mr. Esposito do today in class? Very involved. It's not as easy as it looks. It's going to take some time to get used to. Don't get overwhelmed at home when they take this home. They've got the black marble notebooks, which we call an ISN here in science, okay, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. We're trying to prepare them for the 7th and 8th grades. The note-taking skills are much stronger, okay?
Yep.
You're going to open up the book, and you're going to see that there's 2 pages in the front. One page is going to have a sheet of paper that says, oh, thank you, Mr. Goff.
You're welcome.
And it
Mr.
says,
Esposito.
the left side. This is all the information that they're going to put in their notes on the left page. This side says the right side. This is all the notes that they're going to put on the right side of the page. This is the input information. I'm going to simplify it for you, moms and dads. You can go through the information and reread through it tonight with your kids, just to get a better understanding of it. But I'm going to give you a quick overview of it. Right side, input information. That means information I give them on the board, information from the notes, any information I give them to take down. That goes on the input side, which is the right. The output side here, I stapled 1, 2, 3, 4. Roughly 4 sheets of paper. This tells you what goes on the left-hand side, and this breaks it down for you, so you know exactly what each category is.
So the kids will have this in there?
Yes. This is the information I give them to take down. This is the information that they take. They take the information I give them, and they put it in their own words. They'll make an acrostic. They can make a song. They can make a poem. They can put it in a flow chart. They can put it in let's see what else, because I am running out of ideas. Flow charts, letters, pie charts, Venn diagrams. They can make riddles. They can make flashcards, cartoons. They take the information that I give them, that's the input information, and this is what the end result is. They take that information I give them, and they put it into their own, what's that word? Their own words or their own form of understanding. Some of us are visual, some of us are excellent writers, and that's how they understand it. But take a look at this at home. It's going to take some time. Moms and dads, I took a survey today. Most of the students never heard of this before, so they're going to need your help at home. And if you don't know what this is, and they show you, and they say this word, Cornell notes, you're going to say, oh my goodness, what's that? So try to take a look at this and read through those sheets that I stapled to the first few pages.
And tell me this, is this right? They'll be doing this type of thing in 7th and 8th grade as well?
They will be doing this in 7th. Now listen, Mr. Esposito and Mrs. Casciato, we're going to be showing them this because they've never heard it before. Then when they get to 7th grade, they're going to know exactly what to do. When they get to 8th grade, they're going to have a better understanding of it. So the idea is they get better and better and better as they go along. For us, the first year, it's difficult, but then once they start rocking through this, it's like, boom, grand slam.
Right there, grand slam. Exactly.
Excellent.
Okay, are we
Now,
good?
we're good. Ladies and gentlemen, shout out. You know what I got today? A student of mine made a wallet for me out of duct tape from 3 years ago. She came in to visit me. She made a duct tape wallet, and I showed it to Mr. Goff. I can't even believe what it... Oh, my goodness. It's better than my wallet I paid $20 for. Hers is better. And I will show it to you tomorrow because I forgot to bring it with me. By the time I rung up, it'll be out of breath, and there's somebody knocking at the door right now. So we got to go. 2 thumbs up. See you tomorrow.
All right.